Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q2 of the bi-weekly contest 105 extra characters in a string. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So this one is, the way that I structure it is with dynamic programming. The key part of that is noting that n is equal to 50. And because n is equal to 50, you could do n cubed very easily, given worse if you can, but but that's the way that I'm going to think about it. And the way that I did it basically is by dynamic program, like I said. And the problem that this reminds me of in general is shortest path in a DAG. You can think about it as there's this one cost edge going between every node, and a node is the space between the characters. So you're trying to go from, for example, let's just say your word is Larry, maybe lowercase Larry, and then you have Larry has 5 characters, so you have 6 spaces, and you're trying to go from this space to this space. And of course, going from here to here will always have the cost of 1 unless it is one of the words in dictionary, right? And of course, dictionary also have only 50 words, which lets you, oh, that's the wrong one, but either way, 50 words, so you can do lazy things. And of course, if a word is in a dictionary, for example, maybe law is in a dictionary, then you now have an edge that's going from this node to this node that is worth an edge rate of 0, right? So that's basically the idea, and from that you could get the shortest path in a DAG. And in this particular case, it is a DAG, which means that you can do dynamic programming. Otherwise, it is still a shortest path problem, which you can do with BFS. I guess just BFS, or I mean BFS. You can do some kind of what you would call it, because all the costs are 0 and 1. You could do a 0-1 BFS. You can also use Dijkstra or something like this if you like. One of the shortest path answers. The way that I did during the contest though is with dynamic programming, and and the idea is that okay, you start at the suffix, where one of these spaces suffix. If a word in the dictionary. If a word in the dictionary starts with the current character, then we can skip ahead to that length. Otherwise, with a cost of 0, so if you want to write it explicitly, it's plus 0 for the cost. Otherwise, you have this thing which, is plus 1 as the cost, and you're trying to minimize it over all the possible paths. And at the way end, that's it. You start from 0, and what's the complexity here? Well, index obviously can go from 0 to n, and let's define something here. N is length of string, right? Maybe d is equal to size of dictionary, and let's just say ds is equal to or dl maybe is equal to size length or max length of dictionary word, right? So here, the number of possible inputs is going to be n because it goes from 0 to n. For each input, we do O of d work here. Oops. And for each of the O of d iterations, we do O of dl work, right? So that means that each input does d times dl work. Maybe that's a little confusing, but whatever. It's too late, and I hope you're following. So that means that given that there are n inputs, this is going to be total time is O of n times d times dl. And of course, each of these things are 50 at most. So it's going to be 50 cubed, which is fast enough. That's all I have for this one. And if anyone from Leetcode is watching, I just want to say I appreciate you for choosing the n is equal to 50, because you could easily choose n is equal to 200, and it would not change anything for certain languages, but it would certainly change something for Python. So thank you for being considerate. Okay, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. It's a very weird problem. Okay, whew. I'm actually wasn't sure about that one. All right. Click up S. and the characters in it. Minimum number of characters, I see. Leftovers. Non-overlapping. Do we use the same one more than once? Oh, n is 50. This is silly. Okay, fine. But right now I'm trying to think whether it's greedy or DP. I mean, I think with n is equal to 50, maybe I shouldn't worry about it. Yeah. Can we reuse words? It's unclear, right? Whether we can reuse words. I guess technically you could reuse words how they say it, but oh well. Is it begins with, starts with? Nine and 13. I think I'm returning something wrong. Or maybe whoops. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this forum and this contest. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.